Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have the Huawei Mate 30. It's not the Pro variant, it's the base variant. As you can see, it has having a notch on the front. It is a 6.62 beautiful inches beautiful display. It works really fine and is an AMOLED one, of course, but the pixel density is a bit less than what you see on the Galaxy Note 10 Pro, but still it's manageable and it looks really stunningly beautiful. Huawei has upped its software game and it has switched to EMUI 10.0 with the Android 10, and it looks stunningly beautiful. I mean, look at the icons, they are a bit uniform than what we used to see on the previous variants. From the back, it has blown away my mind. It is really beautiful. I mean, it depends on person to person how you look at this one, but for me this is the perfect looking smartphone from the back, after of course the Samsung Galaxy S10. But it even outshined the S10 when it comes to its glass quality, and also the side rails look really stunning. You have the three cameras at the 40 megapixel normal RGB sensor, the 16 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and an 8 megapixel additional sensor for the zoom king Huawei, and this is no exception. This has all the features of the Mate 20 Pro, and it has also really good software. And this time I think Huawei has the chance to bring it back in the US, but we still have to see that if it's happening or not. But looking at the design, this has headphone jack too, if you're wondering. The Pro variant does not have a headphone jack, but this one has it. For the specs, you can see on the side it's rocking the Kirin 990, and it is the latest chipset and the most powerful in Android world, as the benchmark says. So it has a 4200 mAh battery cell, a 40-watt fast charging, which Huawei calls it as super fast charging, and 27 watts of wireless charging too, which is really good. The software is the most exciting part, because I'm really excited to test out this new EMUI 10.0, which looks really uniform and looks a less sluggish one. It feels light and the phone is really good. I mean, looking at the specs, this is the ideal phone, but from the front, the only thing that is a bit disappointing is that big ugly notch. They should have opted for something else, like the pop-up camera or even a punch hole, but this looks really crap. So this was all I have to say from the first look of this phone. I hope you guys that you subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. This is Ray the Sun, and I'm signing out. Peace out.